Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I thought we would do the fall FabFitFun unboxing. I honestly can't remember the choices that I made, but if I do remember which ones I made choices on, I'll go ahead and let you know. And I did get some add-ons, and I'll put that at the end of the video, and I'll let you know which were add-ons that I paid for separately. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It does come with a magazine, the FabFitFun magazine, and it has the cost of things and information about the products in here, as well as some decor tips, and some recipes. So that's always in here. I don't really read it. Sometimes I look up prices. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this mason jar hydration kit. It's mason tops. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's right. Okay, look at this cute mason jar. Isn't that cute? And it fits 2 cups of water. Oh, that's not enough for me, but maybe just to carry in my handbag while I'm shopping. And it has a cozy so that the glass won't break while it's in your handbag. And it flips open like this. Cute, right? Next is the Beauty Core Glow Milk nourished with coconut. Okay, had to put my glasses on because I can't see. Next is a Beauty Core Glow Milk nourished with coconut and argan oil. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Okay, cute, right? It has a happy face. And this is vegan, from the UK, London, UK. So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. Glow Milk. Let's try a little bit of this. That's the color right there. Ooh, that's a subtle highlighter. Ooh, I am going to try that. I can't wait to try that. It is subtle, my kind of highlight. Okay, Glow Milk. I'm gonna try that. Next is the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. At Hythe, our mission is to amplify your inner and outer beauty while you sleep. Okie dokie. It has witch hazel, lavender oil. Witch hazel protects skin and improves softness. Lavender oil promotes calmness, and rice water is rich in minerals and antioxidants and B and E vitamins to help purify and skin. So this is what it looks like, and let me spray it. Ooh, it smells like a spa. Ooh, I can't wait to try to use that. I'm gonna have to put this by my bedside because it smells like a spa. Tranquility Sleep Mist. All right, I think this came in the box. It's not something I picked. Next is from the Laundress. It's a crease release and it removes wrinkles. This is what that bottle looks like. In a world of overpacked schedules, ironing isn't always an option. This quick fix to easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics, keeping your dressing area to look fresh every morning and in your laundry room to avoid ironing. Okay. Spray items from 6 inches away, safe for all fabrics. Okay. So I'll have to let you know how that works out. Let's see if it has a scent to it, although I still smell that Tranquility Spa smell. I hate ironing, but then I have a steamer in my closet so that I don't have to iron. Oh, it just smells like clean laundry. Okay, so this is from the Laundress, and this is in the classic. I'll have to let you know how that works out. Next is a Juice Cleanse by Harper and Art. They're little cubes. These are exfoliating sugar cubes. Directions. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need some pampering. For body only. Oh, it smells like an exotic fruit, which I don't know the name of. Okay, excited to try that. I don't usually buy exfoliating body products because I use the Korean washcloth that has little exfoliating things, and I just use that to get all my dead skin off. Okay, next is a multivitamin mask, Radiant Complexions by Vitamasks. This is what it looks like, a little pill. It's a nourishing Korean face mask made with vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, E to nourish your skin. So it's a sheet mask. And you leave this on for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll try that. I have a lot of Korean face masks because my sister-in-law, whenever she comes back from Korea, because she goes several times a year, she will bring me some face masks. Ooh, Beyond Yoga. This is a pocket infinity scarf. I love Beyond Yoga. Okay, so it's an infinity scarf like this. And it has a zippered pocket right here where you can put your phone, your keys. Okay, this is good for when I do school pickups. I don't want to really put this around my neck right now because I'm so hot. So I can wear it like this and then use a pocket too. So this is from Infinity Yoga. I think I picked this. I'm not a big scarf person, but I love not having to carry a purse everywhere. I am one of those Asians that carry a fanny pack and have that big FOB hat. That's me. My girlfriends always say that they can locate me anywhere because of that. And yes, I wear a hat everywhere. So that's from Beyond Yoga. Okay, so this is a little tote from Bakkier. I do have one of their original handbags from years ago, maybe 10, 15 years ago. But that's this. Oh, it's nice little tote, and it's very lightweight. Now these zippers are decoration only. Now in the real Bakkier, not the real Bakkier because this might be real, but in the original Bakkier, it has side pockets, and they're like secret hidden pockets where you can put stuff in there. That's where I used to hide my cash. But these are just decorative. Okay, so that's everything that came in the fall box. Let me show you what I added on. So Mel Thompson here on YouTube swears by the Spongel all-in-one beauty treatment. So I got the cinnamon and honey pumpkin spice duo fragrance set. It's 2 body wash infused buffers. So like I said, I don't usually buy body scrubs and stuff, but oh, this smells so good. So this is what it looks like, and apparently you just get it wet and you scrub your body. So I'm excited to try that. And I got pumpkin spice because it's not fall yet, but it will be. And so I'll start using that when it's closer to fall time. I also got the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I thought I would use AM or PM once or twice a week and apply thin layer to clean wet face, massaging in a circular motion for 30 seconds and then leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse and gently pat dry. So I can't wait to use this because I do feel like I haven't been using as many acids, so I think I need a little physical exfoliant. So I got this. I got 3 Kure London Town nail products. I got 3 nail products. Oh, my English. Okay, first is a cuticle saver. It's a little set, and this comes with nourishing cuticle oil and fresh glow cuticle remover. Oh, I may not have to go to Target. So cuticle remover and cuticle oil. Then the other set I got is for drying. This is also from Kure. One is accelerating drying oil and one is instant fudge mix. Smudge fix. So I got that because I always seem to tend to smudge when I use regular nail polish. Right now I do my own dips, but when I do my regular nail polish, I'll need this. So then I also got these because these colors are my kind of colors. So maybe I'll take off my dip and put these on next. Okay, so that is my FabFitFun for fall. What do you guys think? I think it was an okay box. I like that there are things in here that I wouldn't have purchased myself. Like I wouldn't have purchased this sleep mist or this laundress or this exfoliating. Actually, I wouldn't have purchased any of this, even this liquid highlighter, because I don't usually do that. But I am excited to try every single thing. The only thing I may not be too excited about is this Vitamix multivitamin mask from Vitamasks, because I have a lot of Korean masks, but I'm excited to try everything else. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you subscribe to FabFitFun? What did you get? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.